In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma files to Cmyk, whether you're preparing your digital creations for professional printing or simply need to convert them into a Cmyk color space. This tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Figma's website. Figma is a popular collaborative interface design tool, widely used for its versatility and user-friendly interface. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma home where all your recent projects and design files are stored. Next, navigate through your workspace by choosing the project you want to work with. Once your project is open, you'll find yourself in the design view. Take a moment here to review your design and make any final adjustments. Even subtle changes can impact the print quality, so it's always good to double check your work before moving forward. Now direct your attention to the top menu and click on the Action option. In the drop down, you'll notice a variety of actions you can perform. What we're interested in is accessing an important plugin for our task, so search for the Print for Figma plugin. For those unfamiliar, Print for Figma is a plugin specifically designed to help convert Figma files into a Cmyk color space, ensuring your designs are print ready. After finding Print for Figma, click on it to bring up its interface. On the plugin screen, you'll see a Run button. Go ahead and click it. This will initiate the conversion process. What happens here is that the plugin processes your file, converting its color scheme from RGB, which is used for digital displays, to Cmyk, which is optimal for print. While the plugin is running, it's worth reminding ourselves why this conversion is crucial. RGB colors are additive, meaning they're created using light. In contrast, Cmyk colors are subtractive and work by layering ink on paper. This difference can sometimes lead to discrepancies in print color compared to what you see on screen. By using this plugin, you're reducing those discrepancies and aligning your digital file with printing standards. Once the conversion is complete, your file is now ready to export. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose the appropriate file format and resolution suitable for your project. Congratulations! You've successfully converted and exported your Figma design to Cmyk, making it primed for professional printing. This process not only ensures color accuracy, but also enhances the overall quality of your printed materials. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your designs from screen to print with seamless quality. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Happy designing!